Subscribe to our Maine Coon Training Tips channel for more helpful tips and tricks. How to teach high five to your Maine Coon. Step 1. Gather the supplies. Your clicker. Your favorite Maine Coon treats. Your enthusiastic Maine Coon ready for some paw-some fun. Step 2. Get ready for some kitty Olympics. Hold a tasty treat just out of your Maine Coon's reach, but make sure it's high enough that they need to use their mighty paw power to snatch it. Step 3. Watch out for sneaky snackers. If your cat tries to cheat by going for the treat with their mouth instead of their paw, playfully pull the treat away and give them a gentle Step 4. Patience, positivity. Wait until your cat naturally tries to touch the treat with their adorable little paw. This might take a few tries, but hang in there, you're in for a feline high five treat extravaganza. Step 5. Paw-some paw performance. Whenever your clever kitty starts reaching out with their paw to touch the treat, give them a cheerful click from your clicker and reward them with a scrumptious treat. Celebrate their high five progress. Step 6. Repeat and meowtice. Practice makes perfect. Continue the training sessions, repeating steps 2 to 5 until your Maine Coon becomes a high five superstar. Remember, it's all about fun, treats, and bonding with your fabulous feline friend. Step 7. Show off the pawtastic skills. Once your Maine Coon has mastered the art of the high five, remove the treat and hold up your hand while saying, "High five," in your most enthusiastic voice. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support and hope you found our Maine Coon training tips helpful. Stay tuned for more great content and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks again for being a part of our Maine Coon training community.